will start reading after the introduction part is over. इसका जो भी introduction part के बाद then we will start the chapter. Okay, now the character sketch, chapter sketch मतलब what is the chapter about? The story is a touching account of a girl touching heart को मतलब touch करने वाली, mean the emotional attachment with the items and that to belongs to her mother who was no more in this world. अभी जो दुनिया में नहीं थी, उसकी mother के जो item थे, that items has got a very emotional value for the narrator. नरेटर के लिए वो बहुत ही इमोशनल वैल्यू थे, बट स्टिल शी डिड नॉट फाइंड, उसको वो मिल नहीं पाए. एंड was in search of her mother's belonging after the second world war in Poland. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार जो हुआ था उसमें पोलैंड में वो अपने आइटम्स लेने गई थी. बट इवन आफ्टर फाइंडिंग व्हाट शी सो मच वांटेड टू टच, उनको टच करना चाहती थी, बिकॉज दैट ऑल आइटम्स दे बिलोंग टू हर मदर, उसके मदर के थे. And to see and to feel and to remember, she leaves everything behind as it is could not bring her. But finally, she left every item. She did not bring any item, and because all these items could not bring her dead mother, उसकी dead mother को वापस नहीं ला सकते थे. That's why she left that one. Okay, this is the brief summary of the story, and the address held so much importance till she visited that place. Means she just casually she just remembers the address, and when she went to that address she was not sure whether she has gone to the right address, whether she has come to the right address or not. उसको पता नहीं था कि right address पर आई है या नहीं है. But after seeing some cardigans put on by Mrs. Dorling ने जो cardigans थे, that once that belonged to her mother, उसकी mother के थे. That's why she came to know that she had come to the right address, वो सही address पर आया था. What was the reaction? Now step by step we will go in this introduction part. Okay. Mrs. Dorling indifferent attitude towards the nature. Actually उसकी narrator की तरफ उसका indifferent attitude, because first of all they have never met face to face. The narrator knocked at the door of house. Narrator ने after the war actually the scene is, ये scene कब का है? After the war when the narrator returned, जब वो वापस अपने घर आ गई. She wanted her articles belongings from the man. The door was opened only a little. एक तो दरवाजा थोड़ा खोला गया था. And she asked the owner if she knew her. उसने उससे मालिक से पूछा कि भाई if she knew her, क्या वो मुझे जानती है. The narrator told her that she was Mrs. S daughter. Mrs. S actually narrator's mother is named here Mrs. S. जो narrator की mother थी उसका नाम Mrs. S है इसमें. And उसने कहा भाई मैं Mrs. S की daughter. But the owner of the house, Mrs. Dorling, denied knowing her. लेकिन उसने मना कर दिया था कि she did not know anyone by name of this Mrs. S. Mrs. S के नाम से वो किसी को नहीं था. Mrs. Dorling face was absolutely no sign of recognition. उसके ऊपर किसी भी तरह के recognition के कोई भी पहचान के sign नहीं थे. And she kept staring at her without speaking any word. उसकी तरफ वो घूर कर देखती थी, staring intentionally watching. The narrator thought perhaps she was mistaken. Now she realized that she might have come to the wrong address, incorrect address, and had the wrong bell. Then the narrator got a glimpse of her grandmother green knitted cardigan. Grandmother green knitted cardigan, which belonged to her mother. Actually, that Mrs. Dorling was wearing that. Those to penny everything. And this confirmed to her that she had reached the correct address. इससे पता, there may be a question, how did she come to know that she has how did she come to know that she has reached the right address or she had come to the right address? Green knitted cardigan which her grandmother used to wear, जो उसकी grandmother, जो उसकी mother, not grandmother, which her mother used to wear, जो उसकी mother पहनती थी. But Mrs. Dorling excused her by saying that she could not talk to the girl right now. कि अब वो उससे बात नहीं कर सकती. She is having some important task, or you can say important discussion with our guest and all. She just tried to make excuse, बहाना बनाने की कोशिश की. And then she shamelessly closed the door. और उसने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. It means here totally inhuman behavior it was shown on the part of Mrs. Dorling. If someone has come to her door, अगर कोई भी उसके दरवाजे पर आया था, she should inside and at least offered her water and seeds, and then she should have talked very politely and tried to find out what she wanted. and she should have done that one. Lekin, but it was not. In case there is a character and all, if you can explain like that. Okay. Someone watching the narrator from the window. The narrator stood there for some time. Means she closed the door and she did not go. उसने जैसे दरवाजा बंद किया वो गई नहीं. And even after the door closed, someone was watching her from the by bay window. Window से कोई देख रहा था. The girl presumed that someone other than Mrs. Dorling must be watching her. हो सकता है Mrs. Dorling के अलावा someone else might be there in the house. उस घर में और कोई भी हो सकता था. The narrator remembers what her mother had told. Now she started recollecting actually what she told. उसने क्या बताया था वो she started uh, mother started this narrator started recollecting. The narrator started recollecting. After this refusal, the narrator walked back to the station. वो स्टेशन पर वापस चलने लगी एंड थिंकिंग अबाउट द मदर, अपनी मदर के बारे. एक्चुअली दिस वाज ए डिस्टेंस, ये डिस्टेंस थी एंड शी कवर्ड इवन विदाउट मूविंग बिकॉज शी वाज मूविंग इन ए वेरी वेल नोन एरिया. उसको ये लग रहा था ये बिल्कुल उसका जाना पहचाना एरिया है. एंड हर मदर हैड गिवन हर मिसिस डॉर्लिंग एड्रेस अ ईयर्स अगो. काफी साल पहले उसने ये एड्रेस बताया था. And it had been the first half of the year. First half of the year, almost middle of the war. उसका first half of the war, it means middle of the war. ये लड़ाई के बीच का था. Narrator mother told her about Mrs. Dorling. Mrs. Dorling के बारे में उसने बताया and acquaintance. Acquaintance, known person, that known someone. And she also informed her that every time when Mrs. Dorling came, she took something with her. जब भी Mrs. Dorling यहाँ पर आती थी, she came took something with her. उसको. It means now she was thinking she is taking a very high risk and burden also. She is carrying a load every time. The reason Mrs. Dorling gave for her action was she wanted to save all the goods. Is now the reason Mrs. Dorling gave for her actions was she wanted to save all the good things, as the narrator's mother would not be able to save everything if they had to leave suddenly. Means if they have to leave suddenly without him, they cannot take the thing. That's why she took the things and then she refused to recognize, because actually now it is a human tendency. It is very difficult to part with the things. She started using all the articles, all the belongings of Mrs. S. जो मिसिज एस के जो belongings थी, she started using as her own. उसको अपनी, as you can in the first glimpse actually we came to know that she was wearing the green knitted cardigan. उसका जो cardigan पहन रही थी, इससे पता लग रहा था that she has started using these belongings as her own, अपना मान कर उनको. And she was sure that they would not turn up. पता था, थोड़ा सा आइडिया था. She was having that the narrator's mother had accepted the idea, and she was rather obliged to Mrs. Dorling that she was carrying. Means when she used to come every time. Even Mrs. Dorling, she was obliged. उसको काफी मतलब obliged, उसको काफी obliged. Mrs. S was thankful to Mrs. Dorling for carrying those items because they were close friends. वो काफी friend. But actually, from this we can certainly imagine that Mrs. S. She was a very simple, kind-hearted lady, because she could not uh, find out, she could not look into the real idea behind Mrs. Dorling's promises and all. Whatever promises she made, she told that she would return the item out, but what was inside, what was her feeling, she could not find out. Narrator remember when she met Dorling. Now first time when she met, कब मिली थी वो, that narrator recollect. Narrator, it is here daughter of Mrs. S. The narrator arrived the station without having paid much attention to the things on the way. Actually, she was lost in thought when she started back, because when the door was closed, she had to come back. उसको वापस आना था. She came to station and lost in thoughts. ये सारी चीजें सोचती रही, and she did not come to know when she had reached from that familiar area. जो उसका area था उसमें से वो कब वहां पर पहुंची. She was walking in a familiar places for the first time after the war. लड़ाई के बाद वो अपने पहली बार जा रही. She did not want to upset her with the sight of the street houses full of memories from a previous time. उनका जो प्रीवियस टाइम था, पहले का टाइम था, शी डिड नॉट वांट टू रिमेंबर था, उनको याद नहीं करना चाहती थी. And in the train, she remembered the first time when she had met Mrs. Darling. Now in the train, it means अभी भी वो उन विचारों में खोई हुई. It was the morning after the day her mother had told her about Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling के बारे में जब उसकी मदर ने बताया था अपने नरेटर को, एंड ब्राउन कोट, वो उस टाइम ब्राउन कोट पहने हुए थी, एंड द शेपलेस हेड, एक शेपलेस हेड वाज नॉट ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी हेड, अच्छी क्वालिटी नहीं थी, बस शेपलेस, उसका आकार जो था सही नहीं था. द नरेटर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम हर मदर इफ शी लिव्ड अवे. नरेटर Narrator had asked from her mother, उसने अपनी मदर से पूछा था if she lived away, क्या दूर रहती है, as she was carrying a heavy case, क्योंकि बहुत heavy case लेके जा रही है. Because if she is living near a nearby area, then she would also be affected by the war. तब वो भी लड़ाई से affected हो जाएगी. It means she also had to evacuate the place, वो जगह. And if she lived away and she was carrying a very, her mother told that Mrs. Darling lived at number 46 Markham Street. Markham Street, Markham Street में number 46 number house number she lived, वो वहाँ पर रहती. Okay. Initially, the narrator was reluctant to see the belongings. Initially, she did not want old belongings, or whatever articles, household articles were left with Mrs. Darling. She did not want to go there. The narrator had remembered the address but waited for a long time to go there. उसके एड्रेस का थोड़ा सा ध्यान था उसको. She was remembering little bit, she was recollecting, but she did initially after the war was over, she was not interested in all the belonging with Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling के पास, because of the death of mother, she must be emotionally disturbed during this time, and she remembers the address, but she did not want to go and again refresh the attached to her mother, जो उसकी मदर के साथ अटैच है, उनको वो याद नहीं करना चाहती थी. That is bad memories. And she was afraid to see the things that has belonged to her dead mother. She did not want to see their belongings lying in Mrs. Darling house in boxes and coming to be packed, put back in their old places. और वो चाहती थी कि भाई whatever items must be lying, because she believed that Mrs. Darling might have not started using this one. ये use करना शायद उसने शुरू नहीं किया, but she was wrong in this, and she was scared that the things might make her nostalgic. Nostalgic का मतलब क्या होता है? We have to remember the old days, maybe good, maybe bad. But gradually her life became normal, but slowly, when every emotions she overcome, and she finally accepted the law of nature, nature का प्रकृति का नियम था, she accepted, and one day she became curious to know all about his possessions. Possessions means articles, whatever articles were there, she decided to go there. उसने वहाँ जाने की सोची, उसने वहाँ जाने की सोची. Now narrator decides to decide to visit again. First time she came, she did not know. Now she wanted to visit again. दोबारा फिर वो घर चली. After the first visit did not yield any result, means there was no fruitful result of the first visit, and she decided to visit second time. So second time visit करना चाहती थी. This time a girl of about 15 opened the door. एक 15 years की जो girl थी, her mother was not at home. Her mother घर पर नहीं. And at her mother was not at home, the narrator asked about Mrs. Darling. उसने again she asked about Mrs. Darling, and she was told that Mrs. Darling was not at home. उसको बता दिया गया था that she was not at home, and she followed the girl along the passage. Actually, that girl, she took her inside, and she wanted to offer her tea, water, whatever the hospitalizations, or for the welcoming of the guest. Maybe unknown, but she wanted to welcome. Actually, she has shown some true human quality. And she noticed an old-fashioned iron candle holder and our old-fashioned iron, and they were never used. They went into the living room. उनके रहने के कमरे में रहते थे, and they were never used. वो कभी use नहीं किए. The narrator was horrified when she went into the living room. जब लिविंग रूम में पहुंची, she was totally horrified, fearful. Why? Because all the articles or whatever the articles belong to her mother, जो उसकी mother के थे, lying in a awkward position, not in a proper 6 and 7, इधर उधर भीतर भीतर पड़े. She found herself in the midst of old belongings. सारी चीजों के बीच में अपने आप को पाया था. And she was totally full of emotions towards her mother. But they were oppressed her as they were kept in a strange surrounding. They were not kept properly in a proper arrangement and in a very tastelessly manner. Very tastelessly. She was hurt to see her family belongings lying in a tasteless way and with the ugly furniture and the muggy smells. And there was a smell, they were not clean, they were put there. And the tablecloth, silver cutlery, and even the still life showing that apple on the tin plates belonged to her. To tin plate and all, whatever the things were there, everything was lying in the living room. The narrator keen observation of Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling of his party, and she was keenly observed the girl, उसने उस girl को बड़े ध्यान से observe किया. Broad back similar to that of Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling की तरह जिसकी बहुत बड़ी back थी, and she observed her keenly. The girl was placing a teacup for tea to be served, and she was placing a teacup there to serve her tea. उसको tea serve करने के लिए कर रही थी. She was pouring tea from the white teapot, which had a silver border on the lid. On the lid cover, on the lid, it was having a silver border. Silver line was there on the as a decorating line, and then she took out some spoons from the box or box से कुछ spoons निकाले. All this crockery and the cutlery belong to the narrator's family. ये सारी चीजें whatever she was served the tea, यहाँ पर उसमें चाय सर्व की गई, all spoons and all whatever the other जो भी दूसरे बर्तन यूज किए गए, everything belong to her. वो सब उसके थे. But perhaps the girl was not aware of this. This girl was not knowing who that girl was. कि वो girl कौन सी थी. She cracked a joke about eating dinners in those antique plates. And she cracked a joke. उसने एक joke भी दिया that 15 years old antiques and all जो पुराने जो बर्तन में खाना खाने के लिए. The narrator also found a burn mark on the tablecloth. The tablecloth, there was a tablecloth which belonged to her mother, and there was a burn mark. She tried to identify that burn mark. उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश की थी. The narrator indirectly hinted to the girl that they missed the thing missing from the original place or have been loaned to somebody. मतलब कुछ चीजें उनमें से या तो यहाँ पर they are missing from here or it has been given to somewhere. वहाँ पर किसी को दी गई. Okay, now next, narrator remembers about the polishing the silver. Now she remembers about what her mother used to tell. उसकी mother कैसे उसको मतलब cutlery and all after monthly cleaning and all it used to be there. जैसे monthly cleaning होती थी, she used to. The narrator remembers the time when mother was alive. उसकी mother alive थी. The narrator was at home either bored or ill. या तो बोर हो रही थी और बीमार. And her mother asked her to polish the silver cutlery. उसने silver cutlery को वो करने के लिए polish करने के लिए कहा था. And she was surprised to see to hear that the cutlery that were using was made of silver. जो सिल्वर की बनी हुई थी, जो यूज करती थी all these plates and all using silver cutlery every day. And she was surprised that they were using all this cutlery every day. Means these are the items, occasional items to be used. ये ऐसे item थे which are occasionally to be used. Now the narrator's final resolution. And what was the decision of this one? Final decision means now the narrator decided that she could not stay there anymore. वहाँ पर और ज़्यादा वो stay नहीं कर पाएगी. And the address was correct because she came to know that she had come to the right address because she was unable to tolerate the condition of their belongings and all. In what strange condition these were kept, and they started using all these belongings as her own, उनके अपने use करने शुरू कर दिए. But the narrator did not want to remember it anymore. Now there can be a question: why did once she had gone to the right address, why she wanted to forget everything? क्यों भूलना चाहती थी? Because all these belongings has a it has the memory of her deceased mother, and she did not want to remember. She did not want that every day she should remember her mother in that condition, because she was alone in this world. इस दुनिया में वो अकेली थी. She felt that the objects were linked to the memory of the time, और ये जो whatever object, whatever possessions, whatever the articles, belongings are there, the time which no longer existed. It is belong to that time, belong to that person who is no more in this world, जो इस दुनिया में नहीं है. They have lost their values in the strange surroundings, and in this surrounding they have lost their values. इनकी value अब खत्म हो गई है. Sometimes emotional attachment also lost, because she did not want to remember her old time, which was attached to her mother, and who was no more in this world, जो अब इस दुनिया में नहीं. She confronted herself by thinking. Confronting means one way she was trying to take that, another one she was thinking that she will not take all these articles, because they will create an emotional or feeling there in the house every time, that are present in the house. And secondly, she was now living in a one small rented room where the space was. There can be two reasons for this. If those question is asked, why did she want to forget the address? Why did she not bring the articles once she had reached the right address? उनके correct address पर पहुंच गए थे, तो why she had left that one? There can be two reasons. First, she did not want to remember the old time when her mother was alive. Mother was alive and who was no more in this world. Secondly, she was living in a very small rented house, and I think there was no sufficient space to put all these things in a proper order. So she confronted herself by thinking the present house was too small to accommodate all these old items. It was very difficult to keep all this old stuff. And she left the house, leaving all her family belongings. And like this, she left the house. This is the chapter, the address. Yes, students. Dinesh sir. Dinesh sir. You can unmute the students. Participants. 1, 2, 5, 4. Yes, Dinesh sir. Yes, students. You can unmute the students, sir, for time being. Dinesh sir. Introduction part is over. If they want to ask